I'm just gonna sit here. Okay. I need some peanut butter. I like peanut butter alone. It's good. And I didn't get something to eat for lunch. So, I don't even know what I'm doing. But I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh. Talking about peanut butter. No, I'm not. Okay, a minute ago I literally actually busted my camera. You're my camera. Actually, no. My other camera. I had a camera, but my other camera broke because I busted it. Now I'm on my tablet. Please don't judge me in the comments. Okay, I got the Google right here. Okay, Google. What is up? Okay, Google. Kesha.
Alright, here's Kesha on Pandora.
When the dark of the night comes around, that's the time comes alive, looking for something
to my dog, and her name is Hannah. And I got a new dog outside. It's out there somewhere. I'm gonna take off this hairband. So I feed her dog food, like regular people do, and I don't feed her food, human food. I just don't, cause I don't want her to die or be sick. I feed her sometimes some bones. If we have chicken legs, I'll get some bones, and she loves to sleep like no other. Like, she's a lazy butt, and it's a her. Oh, duh. Like I told you, she needs to take a nap right now before she goes pee everywhere. So, usually when she eats, she has to go poop like regular dogs. So, she likes music.
There's a place I know if you're looking for a show where they go hardcore and there's glitter on the floor. Turn me on, take it off, take it off. Everybody take it off.
She hates the hamburger.
There's a place downtown where the freaks will come around. It's a hole in the wall. It's a dirty free-for-all.
She loves me.
Turn me on. Take it off.
If I'm not talking loud, oh my god, baby. If I'm not talking loud, I know who are the reason I'm not talking loud. Let me restart this whole video. Okay, let's restart. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Emily A. I did not even say that. And please like, subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below if you don't like it or like it. Say I subscribed and I'll give y'all a free gift. And that is, I'll try to find a gift somewhere in my room. And if y'all want it, y'all can have it. I don't know why, but I just want y'all to have it. Yeah. So, yeah, y'all can have it. The heck? Y'all can have it whenever you want. You can have it. When I say I want it. Whenever you want. Whatever you want, I'll get it. If you see something in my room that you want, you can have it. Like that. Like that thing right there. If you want it. I'm not just kidding. That was my thing for my 10th birthday, and I'm turning 11 right now. And I'm just kidding, I'm 10. I was turning 10. You like that, baby. Oh! So, welcome to my channel. Oh, here's my dog. Her name is Hannah. Banana. I call her Hannah. Banana. She loves it. What's the matter? Oh, Papa. You like a poo-poo.
Take it off, everybody take it off. There's a place I know if you're looking for a show where they go hardcore and there's glitter on the floor. Turn me on, take it off.
I hope you like this video about my Hannah doggy. My baby. So, oh, my baby is scared of me now. Okay. Hope you like this video. Well, please like, subscribe. Bye.